Ever wondered why some plants in your garden bloom year after year while others don't? Well, it's all down to whether they're annual or perennial plants. Annual plants are like sprinters. They burst into life, seed, bloom, and then, after a single growing season, they're done. It's a swift, vibrant life cycle that brings color and variety to your garden. Think of them as the shooting stars, brilliant but fleeting. Now let's talk about the perennials. These are the marathon runners of the plant world. They're in it for the long haul, blooming over and over again for more than 2 years. They owe this impressive stamina to their stronger root systems, which allow them to come back season after season. So to put it simply, annual plants are the one-hit wonders of your garden, while perennials are more like the classic hits that keep coming back. Now, let's talk about some chart-topping annuals you might find in your garden. First off, we have the marigolds, the yellow and orange sunbursts that brighten up any space. Next, we have the petunias. With their trumpet-shaped blooms, they're sure to serenade your senses. And let's not forget the sunflowers, standing tall and proud. They're the true rock stars of the garden world. These annual plants are like the pop stars of your garden. They burst onto the scene with vibrant colors, create a spectacle, and then gracefully bow out as the season ends. But fear not, for they can be easily replaced each year, giving your garden a fresh new look each time. The beauty of annuals lies not just in their vivid hues, but also in their versatility. They're perfect for those moments when you want a quick and dramatic change in your garden landscape. So if you're looking for a quick and colorful makeover for your garden, annuals might just be your go-to stars. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the perennials, the enduring classics of your garden. These are the plants that, much like your favorite novel, you can come back to time and time again. They keep on blooming, year after year, brightening up your garden with their reliable beauty. Take roses, for instance. These timeless blooms are a staple in many gardens, their delicate petals and intoxicating scent a perennial favorite. Then there are the daylilies, often called the perfect perennial because of their stunning colors and hardiness. And let's not forget hostas, with their lush foliage providing a verdant backdrop for your other plants. But it's not just about the blooms. Perennials also have stronger root systems which can help prevent soil erosion, making them both beautiful and beneficial. So if you want a garden that keeps on giving year after year, perennials are the way to go. Remember, the beauty of a garden lies in its diversity, so why not enjoy the best of both worlds?